What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook. Hoping having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. The awesome trading strategy that helps me win 85% of my trades. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly videos like this, but we also post weekly stock, crypto, Bitcoin analysis, as well as we day trade, live stream, live trade every day, London session 3 and EST on this very same channel. Now, I want to give a special shout out to members and students, of course. We've been going absolutely crazy on the market because as you can see on GPJY, we've been catching back to back to back crazy sells. Now, in this video, we're going to be breaking down this sell setup right here. But you can see we've been catching some nice moves here. Now, this sell setup, not only did I take, but I made sure the members and students was able to jump into this with me as well as we broke this down and enter this during the London session live on February 6th. So you go to February 6th, you'll see that we did break down and enter this during that live stream. And as you can see, the reactions, TP's getting hit. We ate good that. You can see in a free signal, free telegram, February 6th, we posted a recap. That's what the price looks like at the end of the day. You can clearly see this was February 6th. You can see that's how price looked like at the end of the day. Then you can see here, this was going into Tokyo session, London session, then that's Friday, right? And we caught a total on this trade 171 pips. This trade was absolutely insane, y'all. And not only was it 171 pips, but this was a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio setup, which means whatever we risk, we made 3 times that amount. So if we risked $100, we made $300. If we risked $1,000, we made $3,000 off this one trade alone. Now in this video, we're going to be breaking down exactly how I caught this setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So you want to watch to the very end and take notes and go ahead and hit that like button. So the first thing I always tell the members and students is you need to identify the trend. You don't just need to identify the trend, but you need to identify the trend on the bigger time frames. Again, the bigger time frames tell you the direction price is going and heading overall. The smaller time frames just explain what price is doing at that exact moment. Both are important, but both are relevant for certain things in certain situations, as well as looking for certain things for certain situations. Okay, so as we can see here, we had some nice bearish momentum to the downside. Then price rejected the same support level here, caused the reversal for price to then reattempt to push back down to the downside. Right, so we also see here that this is a very strong resistance level being respected here. So since we see price is respecting this level and holding it as resistance, and we also see that we have bearish momentum, we're in a downtrend. We know we're in a downtrend because we don't see any higher highs, as well as we see price respecting and holding levels as resistance. So with all that being said, since we know we're in a downtrend, that means we need to be looking for sells. So now that we understand that we're in a downtrend, that we're going to be looking for sells, this is when we want to mark off our key price level so that we can figure out where exactly we want to enter and exit this trade setup. And boom, we have our key price levels marked off. As you can see, it looks exactly like the chart we was just looking at. So again, we know that we're in a downtrend. We know we're looking for sells. So now is when we want to hop onto the smaller time frame to look and see exactly when and where we're going to be entering and to see how price is reacting to our key price levels. Now, another thing that y'all need to understand is you want to enter sells off resistance levels and you want to enter buys off of support levels, right? You want to enter buys off support levels and you want to enter sells. Do I got a sell example on this chart? Let me see if I got a sell example. Here's a sell example. And you want to enter sells off resistance, right? Buys off support, sells off resistance. Okay, so when we look at GJ right here, price already broke through this support level. So we're either going to look for price to retrace and retest this level to see if we can hold and maintain as resistance, or we're going to look and see if price can break this level and hold as resistance, because last time price failed to break this level and hold as resistance like it did when we was initially going for sell. We caught some huge drops earlier in the year as well. As you can see, these were some nice 1-to-3s, nice 1-to-4s, nice 1-to-5, nice 1-to-3. So you know, we've been eating good off GJ for a little while. So again, we know where we're going to look for sells at. So now that we know what our game plan is, all we have to do is simply wait for price to see what it's going to do and what it's not going to do. So we see here price did not retest this level. Instead, it broke and hit this level. So again, we're waiting to see if it can hold as resistance. Now, this is also during Tokyo session, so I wasn't really on the charts during Tokyo session. We got on during London session. So let's go ahead and fast forward a little bit. All right, so boom. So now we're in London session. Boom. Price broke that level, did a nice retest. After that retest, right, I don't know if y'all saw that. Let me replay it so y'all can see that. Right? I want y'all to see how price bounced off this level perfectly. All right, so pay attention to how price reacted to this level. Boom, right? So after price bounced and retested off that level, again, we go back into the advanced play signal. We can see that we entered at 3:51 a.m. We go to the 3:45 candlestick, which would be this one right here. So we entered right off that retest. Beautiful bounce and push to the downside. Then look and see how price reacted to that level. Boom. So again, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. This big candlestick right here was 7 a.m. news. We go to Forex Factory. We'll see that we had 7 a.m. news on the 6th, which we can see right here. So not only did we catch the entire move for the day, but we was also able to catch the whole news events candlestick as well on this day. So again, this is the power of these charts and the power of trading on and off of these levels. And it's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram, y'all. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program. Again, look at how price is reacting to these levels, y'all. Go ahead and hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.